We're just heading into the market opening, so let's brace ourselves for that. We have, as I was saying, there was a big fall that we saw in the mid-caps yesterday, so perhaps you want to be a little cautious in that arena. The Nifty for now is flat, but look at the mid-caps, down about 60-odd points. So straight off the bat, we've started with a small cut on the mid-cap index. The Bank Nifty as well is down about 50 points. Not looking too great there. The Nifty is holding up, so around the 19,970 mark, which is not a bad thing actually, just consolidating around those levels. But there are some steep losses that you're seeing in the mid-cap end, so I just want to point that out. Lemon Tree Hotels, and remember, these are stocks which have been big gainers this year, right? Lemon Tree Hotels is down about 2.5%, IRFC, Ircon, RVNL, HCC, Bank of Maharashtra, Vodafone Idea, NHPC, all of them are down anywhere between half to about 4-odd%. ITI is down almost about 4-odd% as well. The mid-cap index is now down 140 points, so it's getting worse as we speak. The percentage fall may not look like it's too much, but there are plenty of stocks that are down about 4 to 5-odd%. In fact, this entire PSU basket continues to correct, so just keep an eye out on that. MMTC, Ircon are your top losers. Then, of course, RVNL, ITI, Bata, as Nimesh was pointing out, there's a cautious call there. Chola Finance, Max Health, Jupiter Wagons is down about 4%, so that pocket not looking good. For the frontliners as well, the mood is a bit on the somber side. So now the Nifty is down almost about 30-odd points, led lower by IT stocks. I think it's just routine profit-taking is what you're seeing in the market.
Indeed, so it appears to be that. Now, in terms of top stocks that are moving around, the granules, that's the big winner actually from the broader markets. That's up close to 3%. Indiabulls Housing Finance is up close to 2.5%, and RBL Bank as well up more than 2%. So those are the part of the winners list. The other couple of stocks that are under pressure, you have Oracle Financial, as Rima told us. Commentary from the parent was not very encouraging, so that stock was down close to 13% overnight. We have Oracle Financial out here that's down close to 3.5%. Bata India as well is pulling back close to around 2.5%. And Genus Power, the smart meter play, well, that's down close to around 4% to kickstart trade. But earlier today, we had GMR Power who said that they won a large order, on the smart meter front itself. So they are up close to around 5% approximately. So good move is what we've seen out there. Lemon Tree, I think that's done a quick U-turn. It was down close to around 3%. Now it's up close to around 3%. So a big U-turn is what we're seeing out there. And NIIT, we had the management here on CNBC-TV18 yesterday. The stock, by the way, in the last 3 sessions is up more than 50%. It's up close to around 10% as we speak even today. Prashant.
It's a normal kind of a day after a very unusual day that we had yesterday. And that is good to see. I mean, that's the first starting point it's not a crazy kind of a open. The small cap index, let's actually put that index up. That is up 0.4% now. Actually almost a 0.5% gain in the small cap index. And you've got the mid cap index, which is slightly lower, but nothing. 0.1, 0.15% or so. Market breadth, now advances are putting some distance between them and declines. So 1,200 stocks are higher. And actually, it's almost 2:1 in advances to declines. This is very, very early days, but this is what's coming up. KEC is up 7% there's an order win, and it's coming up as the largest volume traded name as well in the broader market. There is SJVN, which is up 4%. Cochin Shipyard, some of these were down 10% yesterday. Cochin Shipyard is coming up with a 6% gain, so it's recovering 11.27, 11.28 in Cochin Shipyard. Indiabulls Housing Finance was down 10% yesterday. It is coming back up about 3%. IOL Chemicals is another one which is up 8%. RITES is coming up. So the first of these railway names, which are all, without exception, down 10-11% yesterday. RITES is coming up with a 4.5% gain, 536. BEML coming up with about a 3-odd% pop. And, RBL Bank, which is up about 3% or so as well. So that's what's coming through. I think, you had the Nifty, the small cap index, which had closed just under its 20-day moving average. But with this 0.8% gain on the small cap index, we've come back to that average, the 20-day. The mid cap never got there. The mid cap index never got there. That's trading absolutely flat right now. So this is, the opens. I would say, actually the open is very, very good given the circumstances from yesterday's session. So the Nifty is down about 13 points like yesterday. That is a non-actor. But nothing really happened on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty yesterday. It was all in the broader market, broader universe, so that bears watching.